Hello everyone and welcome back to Mary Kelly. Today I am going to be styling my daughter's hair and I'm going to be doing this very simple updo. While I was doing her hair, she was busy drawing. She has drawn so many people, so many faces, and this is one of the drawings that she's been working on. Please comment below and give her a bit of encouragement. So guys, before we start with styling this hair, it's very important to make sure the hair is moisturized. And I start right from the scalp, moisturizing the scalp and moisturizing the hair, and then I proceed to style the hair. It's very important when you're styling your hair, make sure it's not dry, because when your hair is dry and you're handling it, it's very easy for that hair to break. So make sure you moisturize your hair. So my daughter has been taking care of her own hair for a bit of time now. So she was trying to experiment with styles, see how it is to detangle, but she did experience a bit of breakage. She is still young, so that is to be expected. So now